Okay, the little extra things that I have talked about doing in videos that we do when kids are not here. We're getting ready to mop and buff our hall floors. But before we do that, there's one other thing that I want to do in my halls to make it look good for, when you come in, and that is vents. Now, before I start this little baby right here is a lifesaver. I'm not advertising for Sharp or anything like that. This is just something that I use. I talked the school into buying this for me to be able to use. Have all the attachments and everything, but I could take a duster and dust these vents. I'm gonna get dust everywhere. But I found this works a whole lot better on cleaning my air vents, my return vents, a lot of things that this thing is really good for. So before we get started doing halls, I'm gonna do all these vents in the school, and this really works really good. Okay, just do all the return vents, the air vents, every one of them just like this, and it'll save you a lot of trouble, a lot of back pain. One time, I thought it would be a good idea to take that grate down and wash it. Bad idea. What happened is the ductwork fell down. It was not connected to the rafters like it should have been, and I had like an accordion effect all the way to the floor. Kids were in the building, and it was a disaster. I had to call maintenance. We had to get all that fixed. That was a 2-hour delay in their time and my time. Bad idea. So what this little vacuum cleaner right here don't get, it just gets left. So finish this up and gonna mop some halls and buff.